Hi, welcome back to another video. I'm Ashley and it's very windy outside, so I'm sorry if you hear wind. It's gonna be spooky for you. Today I'm going to be doing a Play by Sephora box review, or opening I guess in this case. This is their monthly subscription box and it's, I want to say $12. That includes shipping, and you get 5 items plus a bonus item, which is usually just a perfume sample, in each box, in order to keep my address and everything preserved, hidden. I'm not going to show you the entire box, but it's just this black and white striped box. My idea for these videos is that every month, since I get one of these every month, I'm going to do a reveal of what I've gotten. Usually I have always peeked. They'll send you an email about a week or so before you get it, letting you know what's inside of it. And I haven't peeked this time, so I have no idea what's in here. So I would like to start doing these every month with a reveal of the new box and then a recap of the month before, what I thought about the samples, what I've done with them, that sort of thing. So this video is going to be very, very quick because even though I have gotten boxes in the past, I don't want to just be like, oh, and this thing that I've never talked about before. So, and I wasn't really thrilled with the last box, to be honest with you, so I'm just going to start fresh with this video and kind of continue it from there. So without trying to peek, I've got this little baggie. I'm trying not to peek, but it just got this little decoration. It's technically like a resealable bag, but I would never really keep this. And then each month they'll also send you a pamphlet. It always comes with 50 insider points, which I believe are kind of automatically put on your account anyway. No, they're not. They give you points for purchasing the box, and then these are like a bonus that you can use if you make a purchase, but I think they only last like a month. But anyway, this month seems to be a beauty scope sort of thing, and I'm getting spoiled, so I'm not going to look at that yet. I'm going to reference that as I pull items out. Alright, so the first item I have here, I might pronounce this wrong, Laneige, the water sleeping mask for all skin types. Purifying and moisturizing, revitalizing overnight gel mask with sleep scent, trademark, delivers quick hydration. Interesting. So it's just this tiny little jar, probably 2 applications of a mask. So that's always fun to play with. I'll see what comes with that. I'm gonna try to keep tidy here and get rid of some packaging as I go. And let's see. And then this one says, a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Apply a quarter-size amount, leave on overnight, and then rinse in the morning. So we'll see how that goes. All right, then we have the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, Conditioning Detangling Spray. I get a lot of hair products. Part of the reason I switched from, I used to do the Birchbox, and I liked it. But I got so many hair samples, and as you can probably tell by my beautiful frizzy ponytail, I'm not really a hair person, but something like this where it's like a detangling conditioning spray, I will use this. So I'm not mad about this, but I got so many samples from Birchbox for hair, and they accumulated. I still have a ton of them. I do use them here and there, but it would take me more than a month to go through one sample, so after 6 months of hair samples, I've accumulated. I even gave a bunch away. So that's one thing I've liked about the Sephora box, is they didn't just cling to the fact they're like, oh, someone has fine thinning hair, I better send them hair products every month. So, but anyway, Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. I'll use this after I shower and we'll see how it works. I don't really need too much detangling, but conditioning is always good. Okay. I have a Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. It says deeply exfoliates for a clear and radiant complexion, visibly brightens the appearance of hyperpigmentation, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles. This is 5 millimeters. Why is it in this? Wait a second. There's a container in here. Why is it in this? Look, it's its own container. Why do I have to come in this fancy extra packaging? Seems like a bit much, but this is like an exfoliating treatment. I don't know. We'll give it a try, I guess. Exfoliators are always good in my book. A lot of skincare today. And again, I'm going to pronounce this one, Is it Ouai? I don't know. I've got a lot of samples from them before. This is a repair shampoo and conditioner. I believe this is considered one sample together. Ooh, okay, this one I'm excited about. This is the Blendercleanser by Beauty Blender. They're Solid Pro, created to effectively clean beauty blender and all makeup brushes. So this is like a little makeup brush and sponge cleaning bar. So I've always been interested to try this, so I'm really actually glad I got this. And my beauty sponge needs a clean. So maybe that's something I will try today, and if I like this might be something I consider trying to, or repurchasing I should say. But yeah, I'm actually really thrilled about this, and this is a little bit over ½ an ounce of a solid block, so I bet I could get a decent amount of use out of this. So that one I'm pretty excited about. And this is the last one I have. Ooh, it looks like, ooh, it's Bite lipstick. It is the Stay Glace Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon. A high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. That is so my color. Don't you have to love when they get it just right? Like, this is 100% like I would wear this all the time every day. I am thrilled about this. I've never tried Bite Beauty. Again, it's one of those ones I've always heard about and just never got the chance to try. So I'm thrilled about this sample. For me, it got more exciting the more I went through, so I'm obviously most excited about the Bite Beauty pencil and the sponge cleaner. I'm also pretty interested in this lactic acid treatment because, again, a good exfoliant is always good, so if it does what it says it's going to do, I'll be okay with it. And then everything else I'm kind of just okay with. Again, shampoo, conditioner, that's not going to be enough to really change your hair, but it's probably just enough for me to use twice and get a gist of how it feels in my hair. Water sleeping mask. These are kind of gimmicky to me, but I'll use it. I mean, especially this time of year, a little extra hydration couldn't help. I don't think that's going to do anything crazy for my skin, and I'm betting you this full size is really expensive. Flapjack. My cat is just glaring at me, so that's great. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If there's any particular questions about any of the samples that I've gotten, or if there's any certain things you want me to cover when I review it in my next video in a month, please let me know. I'd be happy to make sure that I cover those things for you. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching again. Hope to see you again soon.